Hello everyone, here I am with my next video, Geography Grade 8. This is the first part of my video, Lesson 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. Here we will see what are biotic resources, what are abiotic resources, and we will try to understand different type of resources and their importance in our life. Land, soil, water are the resources which belongs to abiotic resources and are the most important resources, whereas natural vegetation and wildlife resources come under the biotic resources. So we can say plants, animals, bacteria or all living things are biotic resources. Water, soil, minerals, air, etc. are all the non-living things are abiotic resources. All the resources, it means all the type of resources are exhaustible. So this is our responsibility to utilize all the resources very carefully and conserve them for the future generations. Now, our next topic is land. Land is among the most important resource. Land covers about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface. 90% of world population occupies only 30% of land area. The remaining 70% of land is either sparsely populated or uninhabited. Land is unevenly inhabited due to various factors of land and climate, water, fertility of soil, etc. Normally, the sparsely populated areas are because of rugged topography, it means uneven surface, steep slopes of the mountains like these kind of slopes, low-lying areas are capable of waterlogging, desert areas and thickly forest areas. Actually, people don't want to survive in these kind of areas because it is very hard to survive in these areas. Now we will see which part of the earth's surface are densely populated. The densely populated area of the world have plains, river valley that have suitable land for agriculture because river valleys are very suitable for agriculture. The availability of rich fertile land makes it suitable for living and a huge population resides on it. Mineral richness, water resources, fertility of soil and good topographical condition are important. Now we will try to understand how to use land. Land use refers to the use of land for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up industries. Factors affecting land use are two kinds: physical factors and human factors. Now, we will try to understand what are physical factors and what are human factors. So, the physical factors are topography, soil, climate, water, distribution of rocks and minerals. And economical and human factors are population distribution, development of technology, land tenure, government policies. So basically, we can say based on ownership, land can be classified as private and community land. Private land is owned by individual or family member and is used for personal purposes like those that house is a private land. Community land is owned by the community for common use and can be used by anyone in the society like collection of fodder, fruit, nuts or medical herbs. The demand for land by the people is growing, but the availability of land is limited. The vast change in the land use pattern shows the cultural change in our society. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threats of the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. Fertile land is exploited more and leads to the barrenness if not utilized judicially. The over-exploitation of mineral resources also make the soil vulnerable to be degraded. So here I am winding up with the first part of my video. I'll continue in the next part. If you have any queries, you can put your queries down. Thank you and have a nice day.